Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Look, today's mukbang is not what I wanted to do, but it's what it is what it is. Okay guys, so I ended up getting some island food, sapsui. Yes, sapsui, and my mukbang spoon, and I got eggplant and lamb, and the chop suey is lamb as well. Everything lamb today guys, everything lamb today. And I got pumpkin and lamb, and I got some taro to eat it with guys. So I already said thanks to the good Lord for blessing me every day, blessing you every day as well. Always got to give thanks guys. And today I thought I'll have water, and I found me a lemon, washed it and chopped it up, and it's so chunky, it's so funny. One side is skinny and the other side is chunky. See, rough. I like rough and tough. It's like surf and turf. Talk too much. Anyway guys, so what should I start with? Sapsui, Mokegi, or Israelu? Okay. I'll stop at 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Israelu win. This is eggplant, guys. Got it from the local island shop. Okay. Because I love to show support, and when I'm lazy to cook. Yeah. But this is your guys' one. Cheers. Oh, look at that. Nice. Oh, the marmoy cooked. Oh, okay. I didn't bring my salt. My daughter said that needs a bit of salt, and I didn't listen. Okay, never mind. Too much salt is no good for you anyway, guys. Okay, remember that. This is so good. Very good. So to the hands that prepared this, appreciation. Wow, yeah. Do you like Israelu? Look, if you got raised with this Israelu eggplant and fried eggplant with something, you'll like Israelu. Or you're one of those ones that couldn't stand it. I still to this day. This is plain Mukbang, guys. I'll show you. Can you see it? So nice. You know Israelu and pumpkin is what a lot of island families used to make their food with. Emoy. What? What is going on? Wow, mấy ổ cốt. Wow, mày. Hả? Ăn vô cùng. Hả? Wow. Để cả cá nó phát về mày vậy. Cả phát wow. That's good. Cả nó phát là bố là. Ai phát tay à liệt tua. Always phát tai. Ili tua. Mawaita tubola. Ah, yeah. You know me? Every day I give thanks. I just do. I just do. I just don't feel right if I don't. You know? This is still very hot. You know this chop suey? It's chunky meat today, guys. It's called chunky meat. Either they wanted to do it like that or they were just too lazy to chop it up. And hey, but some people like this, eh? Food is food. Ah, yeah. Do you know what time it is, guys? 10:30 in the morning. Yep. You know why I started early? Because someone's coming over. And they might want to hang out. And if they want to hang out, I can't do my mukbang. Okay? So I thought I better come in and do this. We hang out. And then that's it. Nisi kemi anga ni ngani po ngai sa wai fa fule ni flavor nga. Ah, it flavor kengi man. Ma ngai wait ya vai. You know the meat, the lamb breast, but in New Zealand we call it flaps, right? When you chop it up and the bit that's got the meat, the bone, the bit that's got the bone, I love it. Bit of bone. Wow, yeah. The other day, I done a seafood mukbang. Oh, and a lot of people come to do it. You love it, eh? You love seafood, eh? Yeah. Nga ko fia seafood. So if wing seafood, if I yak, we do it. Kako ay rai maka fia paka. Wow. I think I can both up sweet. Man, I put just up sweet. Mà ngon nghìn mà muối, mà ngon nghìn mà muối. In Samoa, the lamb is pretty dear, but if you really want it, you have to get it. You have to get it. So guess what, guys? Guess what? Okay. My sister's going to Samoa next week. Okay? I'm not going to go because my mum got dementia and she needs me. She needs me to take care of her, turn her water, make sure her water's warm before her showers and stuff like that, get her clothes ready and prepare her food and stuff like that. But anyway, so I couldn't go. So that was the story. I couldn't go. Then my sister rings me and says, oh, she was talking to our cousin. And then our cousin said, and then our cousin offered to take care of her. Then I gotta go for like a whole week. and then I'll go with my sister. So guys, I'll be in Samoa again. Woohoo! I want to go and do some more shopping. You know what I'm after? This is what I'm after. You know why? Maybe because I'm a female. I'm after their beautiful dresses that they have there. Listen. This is how I see it. You go there and you buy your dresses, right? You're supporting them, and they're much, much cheaper. You buy it out here, it's too expensive. Very expensive. But I guess out here is it's a more expensive living. So of course it's gonna be expensive. But I'm gonna go somewhere, buy me some dresses. Oh, and this I'm gonna pick very carefully. Oh, I'm just one of those shoppers like, oh, I like it. Yes, but never plan like, would I look nice? Would I look sexy? Would I look... Yeah. Aloi apia, aloi makeki, aloi whakau mai. Maresi mea. He roi mea rea. Vai mai. Lau kauri ma rea. E 20 tāla. I oi Samoa. But at my portfolio is full kala ingi. Mo ye. But my portfolio o le support tatu tanata. Ah yeah. Okay. Yeah. So I'm gonna buy that. And I'm gonna buy some more Samoan earrings for the Cook Island ladies. Yeah. Whakaunga ke kaukaringa. Hamo awe mo ngai Sisters Day o I Rarakonga. E fia mai roa, awe iai. Right. O man mau kei. Nearly finished, guys. Nearly finished. Le koe ala karo vai. E pupu ale. Le kako video. Okay, guys? Why? It's because I'm expecting someone to come over. So, say fair court shout outs. Say fair court shout outs from the morning. I say, and media. Cheers, guys. Guess what? I was told a good drink, okay, is ice water or just plain water. Put ginger and lemon, right? And you drink this every day. And then it helps with weight loss. Do you believe that? My niece was saying that her auntie drank ginger, lemon and water for like over, like days and days. And we have this front part of our tummy that we do not like. But she's telling me that my cousin's tummy started, deflating. And if that's working for her, it could work for us. Yes. Is that right? We never know. Gotta try it out. Gotta try it out, girls. Oh, and boys. Oh, come on now. Don't just be girls. You vai. So guess what I've got in here? Ngale vai, male lemon. And there's a ginger. Where were ma yellow racing a ginger? Oh well, at least I'm halfway there. Hey, I'm halfway. Yeah. Got a sort of for the shout out. Okay, so. Oh yeah, so I just want to say hello to Picky Walters. Okay. He asked if we could do me and my grandkid and me and my granddaughter and my daughter do the Subway challenge. Okay. I want to do it. But my girls are sometimes not available on certain days. Okay. I watched this channel, right, and it was so funny. You guys should go and check them out. It's The Shades TV. The Shades TV. right? Go look them up. They went to Samoa, and it was funny. I love funny people. I love funny people. Okay. Tuialoma clan. Hello. They've got a channel, guys, so go and check them out. You might want to give them a sub, a comment or something, or watch their video. It's up to you guys. But, you know, so some aloha. And then there's Faustina Tuala. Hello to you. And, they said that they watch my mukbang. They're from New Zealand, guys. So, it's Rita and Mike from Auckland, New Zealand. Thank you guys for watching my video. Oh, special. Feeling special. Thank you so much. And then there's another one. Solo Stamper. Okay? Now, Solo's asking, and I think someone else, but sorry, I couldn't find your name. But it's asking me if I could do mukbang of pulingi and custard. Well, I want to say hello to you, Solo. When I find me a nice pulingi, and I'll make me some custard at home, and then I'll do it. Okay? Don't worry. I see your fellas comment, and I, you know, try and work it around my mukbangs, my food. Bless the hands that made them. Thank you, God, for the food, you know. I always appreciate God. I really do. You know, when I think about him, my heart is happy, you know, because I just appreciate him. I just appreciate him. But anyway, guys, you guys take care, okay? Hey, oloa. Whawhakaya maka mai. Hey, look, ula. You know where I got this ula from? From Larakonga. You know when you go over there, right? When they greet you, they give you a lei. And then when you say goodbye to them, they give you another lei. Come on, Samoa. We can do that. We got heaps of nice, beautiful flowers. Faye meanga, au mai o malu. Can we fall le ula? Say, if you're my sister, if you're my brother, yeah. Okay, you'll feel siva. Yo, loa. But don't forget, if you guys live in Samoa, and you guys are even visiting Samoa, and some families are coming over, grab you guys some, kele kako, me fo ye kako pua, me fa pega. Faye kako ka mai ula, ai o mai loa. La ve loa le pua manga ia au le lei. Ia mangongi. Wai loa. Ia fa soi fua. Take care, wai loa, take care. God bless.